What if I told you that in 2026, you can literally move into a home that has survived Category 5 hurricanes, EF4 tornadoes, and major earthquakes, and it looks nothing like any house on your street? In fact, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. These are modular dome homes, and they are having their biggest year yet. But here is the part that is going to stop you in your tracks. The most talked about dome home company right now just opened reservations with only a $500 refundable deposit, and people are already lining up by the thousands. You need to hear every detail before you decide whether to walk away or put your name on the list. Before we dive deep into this, do me one quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. We cover everything about affordable, smart, and future-forward homes on this channel every single week, and you do not want to miss what is coming. Now let us get into it. By the end of this video, I am going to show you which dome home brand has already built a reservation queue worth over $400 million, and I will also tell you about one brand that had its very first completed dome ready to move into in the first half of 2026. But you need to watch till the very end, because I will also reveal the one hidden cost that most people completely overlook when budgeting for a dome home, and it can cost you thousands of dollars if you are not prepared. What is a modular dome home, and why 2026 is its biggest year? Let us start at the beginning. For those who are new here, a modular dome home is a prefabricated, curved, spherical structure that is manufactured in sections or panels at a factory and then assembled on your building site. Unlike traditional box homes, dome homes have no corners. They are round, aerodynamic, and naturally strong because the curve of the dome distributes weight and force evenly in every direction. Now, why is 2026 their biggest year? Because after years of being a fringe housing idea loved mostly by off-grid enthusiasts, dome homes have crossed over into mainstream consciousness. The cost of traditional construction has kept rising, climate events are becoming more extreme, and buyers are now actively searching for homes that can handle both. At the same time, new companies backed by engineers from Tesla, Apple, and SpaceX have completely redesigned what a dome home can be. We are no longer talking about rough concrete bunkers. We are talking about sleek, beautiful luxury living spaces with panoramic windows, designer kitchens, and smart home systems baked right in. There is also a major efficiency argument. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, dome structures can require up to 30% less energy to heat and cool compared to traditional rectangular homes of the same square footage. That reduced surface area means less thermal transfer, and for anyone paying serious utility bills right now, that number matters. Prefab dome kits also assemble 40 to 60% faster than stick-built homes. Factory production takes around 6 to 8 weeks for most standard sizes. Foundation work is 1 to 2 weeks. Shell assembly another 2 to 4 weeks. And interior finishing runs 4 to 8 weeks. Compare that to the 12 to 18 months for a traditional home, and suddenly the case becomes very compelling. Now that you understand why dome homes are having their moment, stay with me, because in just a minute I am going to break down the actual sizes and prices available in 2026. And one of these price points is going to genuinely surprise you. The sizes and price ranges of modular dome homes. In 2026, let us talk real numbers, because this is what you came here for. At the entry level, dome home shell kits start at around $10,000 to $30,000. These are mostly small footprint domes, perfect for garden studios, camping retreats, creative workspaces, or weekend getaway cabins. They are typically under 400 square feet and designed for people who want to get into dome living without a massive upfront commitment. Step up to the mid-range and you are looking at modular dome kits in the $50,000 to $150,000 range. This tier covers larger structures from around 400 square feet all the way up to 1,200 square feet, and these are where you start seeing real residential features: proper insulation, weather-resistant panels, finished interiors, and options for multiple rooms. For fully finished, move-in ready dome homes with all appliances, fixtures, and luxury finishes included, budget between $100,000 and $250,000 for a 1,000 square foot property. That translates to roughly $100 to $250 per square foot, which is actually comparable to, and sometimes cheaper than, traditional construction in many markets. Now here is where it gets really interesting. The luxury tier of dome homes in 2026 can run from $250 to $400 per square foot. At that level, you are getting high-end flooring, designer kitchens, smart home integration, massive curved glass walls, skylights, and premium HVAC systems. A fully appointed luxury dome home at this price tier for 1,500 square feet would cost you somewhere between $375,000 and $600,000. That is not cheap, but consider what you are getting. A home that is virtually indestructible, deeply energy efficient, and unlike anything your neighbors will ever own. One more size tier worth calling out. GeoShip, one of the most talked about names in 2026, is offering homes from 375 square feet all the way up to 1,675 square feet, with turnkey prices estimated between $90,000 and $380,000. Their flagship AMA model, a 1,530 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an office, is a fully integrated move-in ready product that includes everything except land and site preparation. For custom plans created by an architect, expect to pay between $400 and $900 for a dome-specific plan, or hire a licensed architect at $125 to $250 per hour. Some buyers choose to work directly with dome companies that offer bespoke design services, which keeps the planning process streamlined and often faster. I have given you the price ranges, but I have not yet told you about that one hidden cost almost every buyer overlooks. It is coming up very soon. First, let us look at the top brands actually selling luxury modular dome homes right now in 2026. The top luxury modular dome home brands of 2026. There are several serious players in this market right now, and each one has a distinct angle. Let me walk you through the most notable ones. GeoShip. This is arguably the most talked about dome home company in the entire world right now, and for good reason. GeoShip builds bioceramic geodesic dome homes. Bioceramic, as in materials modeled after the structure of human bone, which makes them fireproof, mold-proof, and earthquake-resistant. The engineering team includes alumni from Tesla, Apple, and SpaceX, and the company is a certified B Corp and public benefit corporation. Their AMA model, which is their flagship Founders Edition, is a 1,530 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an office. First deliveries were targeted for the second quarter of 2026 in Northern California, specifically in the Nevada City area. The company has already received over 2,100 reservations, representing a pipeline valued at over $400 million. They are currently expanding statewide in California before going national. What makes GeoShip unique is the all-in pricing. Their turnkey quotes of $90,000 to $380,000 include delivery, permitting, installation, mechanical systems, interior finishes, and appliances. Land and site preparation are excluded as they vary by location. Customization upgrades like solar panels, advanced insulation, and off-grid water systems typically add $10,000 to $50,000. Reserve your spot at geoship.is with a $500 refundable deposit. American Ingenuity Domes, AI Domes. American Ingenuity, also known as AI Domes, has been manufacturing geodesic dome kits for over 40 years. Based in Rockledge, Florida, they specialize in monolithic steel-reinforced concrete dome kits. They offer 10 different dome kit options, some of which are specifically engineered to be tornado-proof and hurricane-proof. Their dome structures feature uninterrupted R28 insulation and can reduce utility bills by 50 to 60%. Their kits include pre-cut, pre-drilled panels with half-inch drywall on the interior. Floor plans accommodate multiple bedrooms and bathrooms with over 1,200 square feet of floor space. These are permanent residential structures that require permits and contractors similar to a traditional build. AI Domes is a strong pick for buyers who want maximum durability for a primary residence or investment property. Visit aidomes.com to explore their kits and floor plans. Pacific Domes. Pacific Domes is one of the most recognizable names in the dome world and ships their products nationwide. They offer highly customizable geodesic dome structures using smart geometric engineering to handle snow, wind, and rain loads. Their frames are made from galvanized steel, and their covers use premium UV-resistant fabrics, including fire-rated options. Their kit range is broad, starting from around $15,000 and going up to $300,000, making them suitable for both residential buyers and commercial operators like eco-resorts and retreat centers. Pacific Domes is committed to sustainability and has created numerous world-renowned eco-resorts and retreat centers globally. They have even been chosen for the NASA Mars Exploration Project. They offer dome home kits in various sizes, along with full rentals and restorations. For sales and pricing, you can call them directly at 1-541-488-7737 or visit pacificdomes.com for a free quote. EcoDome. EcoDome is a strong pick, particularly for Airbnb hosts and glamping operators. They offer a 10-year warranty, individual replacement panels, R24 insulation, and include CAD permit files with every kit. According to industry reviewers, EcoDome is the only dome kit built specifically with rental operators in mind, which means it is designed for repeated setup, breakdown, and long-term wear. Gaxdome. Gaxdome is a professional dome kit manufacturer within the WZH Group that ships to the US and global markets. They focus on the modular plus DIY model, support customized sizes and colors, and are known for steel structure domes suitable for long-term residential use with good resistance to wind and snow. Now, I promised you the hidden cost almost every buyer misses, and here it is. I am going to share it right now along with everything you need to know before you make any purchase decision. Do not stop watching. The hidden cost most buyers miss, and what to know before you buy. Here it is: site preparation and foundation work. Most buyers look at the kit price or the turnkey quote and forget that land preparation is almost always excluded. Depending on your soil conditions and location, site preparation alone can run from $5,000 to $20,000. Foundation work adds another layer, and then you still have utility hookups, county permits, and sometimes a custom architectural plan on top of that. Domes also come with a permitting challenge. Not every county building department is familiar with dome construction. Some areas have zoning restrictions or HOA rules that can delay or block a build entirely. Before you fall in love with a dome and put down a deposit, call your local building department and ask whether a dome structure is permitted on your lot type and what engineering documentation you will need. Getting this wrong early can cost you months of delay and thousands of dollars in wasted fees. Financing is the other obstacle. Traditional mortgage lenders are sometimes hesitant to finance unconventional structures because of appraisal challenges. Some buyers use personal loans, construction loans, or owner-builder financing. Line up your financing strategy before you get too far into planning. Here is why the math still works for many buyers. That 50 to 60% reduction in utility bills from AI domes, combined with the 30 to 35% energy savings documented by the U.S. Department of Energy, adds up to tens of thousands of dollars in savings over 20 to 30 years, which meaningfully reduces your true cost of ownership. We are almost done, but I have one final section for you, and it is the most practical part of this entire video. A clear breakdown of where to purchase a dome home in 2026 and exactly what steps to take. You will want to take notes on this one. Where to purchase your luxury modular dome home. In 2026, here is your 2026 purchasing guide, organized by what kind of buyer you are. If you want a fully finished luxury move-in ready dome home, go directly to GeoShip at geoship.is. Reserve your spot with a refundable $500 deposit. They are currently serving Northern California and expanding statewide. Their AMA model is their flagship product, and it is the most complete out-of-the-box option available in 2026. If you want a permanent residential dome kit that you will build with a local contractor, American Ingenuity at adomes.com is your best starting point. They offer 10 different kit options, include engineering stamped plans, and have over 40 years of experience helping buyers through the permit and construction process. If you are on the West Coast and want a wide range of sizes from a company with a long track record of residential and commercial dome builds, Pacific Domes at pacificdomes.com is the call to make. Their range from $15,000 to $300,000 gives you options across nearly every budget. If you are building a glamping rental or short-term Airbnb property, look seriously at EcoDome. The 10-year warranty, replacement panel system, and R24 insulation make it purpose-built for that use case. If you are a self-builder looking for a customizable modular kit at a competitive price point, Gaxdome at gaxdome.com is worth exploring. They cater specifically to the US market and allow full size and color customization. For buyers in the mid-price range who want to explore multiple options, CapsuleCastle.com is a helpful resource. They publish detailed comparisons of modular and dome-style prefab manufacturers across price, quality, and delivery timelines, which can save you serious research time. How much should you realistically budget? Here is a planning breakdown for 2026. Kit or turnkey home cost: $50,000 to $380,000 depending on size and brand. Site preparation and foundation: $5,000 to $20,000. Utility connections: $5,000 to $15,000. Permits and architectural plans: $400 to $5,000. Interior upgrades: $10,000 to $100,000. Shipping and assembly: $10,000 to $30,000 if not included in your package. Land purchase is always additional and varies by location. Total all-in range: roughly $100,000 on the low end for a modest modular build, to well over $500,000 for a fully finished luxury dome on prepared land. So here is the bottom line, and I want to be completely honest with you the way I always am on this channel. Modular dome homes in 2026 are genuinely exciting. They are disaster-resistant, energy-efficient, faster to build than traditional homes, and some of them are now designed to the same standard as any high-end modern house. The brands I have shared with you today, GeoShip, American Ingenuity, Pacific Domes, EcoDome, and Gaxdome, represent the most credible options in the market right now. But they are not for everyone. Permitting can be complicated. Financing can be tricky. And if you are in an HOA neighborhood or in a county that does not recognize dome structures, you could face real obstacles. Call your building department, check your zoning, and line up your financing before you put any money down. If you have done that homework and the numbers work, 2026 is genuinely the best year to buy into this space. The technology is mature, the prices are the most competitive they have ever been, and for the first time, you can get a fully finished luxury dome delivered and installed with one company handling everything from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who has been exploring alternative housing. It could save them months of research. Drop your questions in the comments below and I will answer every one. Subscribe if you have not already, because we cover modern and affordable homes every single week. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I will see you in the next one.